piloting, and both these pilots have done a bit of flying before they joined up. However, a lot of our pilots have no previous experience flying prior to joining, so that's not actually necessary. So for any of you out there who's joining the Royal Navy in parallel, this maneuver here, which you're watching now, is called the carousel. It's actually Flight Tactics' very favourite maneuver. I think these pilots assure me that they're working very hard right now, trying to maintain the right separation from each other, the right position over the ground, correct height, and exactly the right rate of turn to make this maneuver work and look as good as it does.
The idea, right next to each of the pilots, is another guy, which we haven't mentioned yet, or girl, it's not necessarily gender specific, the flying world, as you know, and what they're doing is they're tweaking all the knobs and dials and making sure all the engine power is actually balanced with each other, keeping with the meters, and at the same time checking all the instruments, the fuel, and everything else fine.
Absolutely, yeah. We've got flying with Lieutenant containers today. We've got our Chief Operation Officer, Lieutenant Mike Kerr, and flying with Lieutenant Dave Fleming. We actually have 702 Squadron's commanding officer, Commander Peter Hall, with us this weekend. So everyone's on their best behaviour.